This is our first Tesla Model S, the only model made at the time. We got it in the spring of 2015 with the intention of driving it all the way back to the factory in California, and we did it. And then we went down to Disneyland for the 60th anniversary. Back then it was a zigzag route, only one line of superchargers across America, but it worked flawlessly. We never had to wait to plug in, and we never had a failure at a supercharger. So the travel went smoothly. We did 500 miles a day to limit him, so we'd be alert. And in 7 days, we were back at the factory in Fremont, California, right here. We had a factory tour, which was allowed to owners only at that time. And then we drove down to Disneyland for the 60th anniversary. And this was 3,822 miles one way. And then it was 83 miles total round trip. We also hit 2 national parks on the way back, the National Monument at Mount Rushmore and Badlands National Park, and everything was smooth. And we love this car so much, we had to get some more, and we just brought home a new Tesla Model S Plaid. It's so smooth, you have instant acceleration. I never have to worry going up an entrance ramp or blending into traffic. It's instant acceleration. The braking is amazing. When we plug in at home, it's 1/3 the cost of gasoline. Plus, we have no oil changes, no downtime. 10 years in, we've done no maintenance at all on this car. So it was a no-brainer to get another Tesla.